Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. It is me, Michelle. So today I am doing a video for my June mood tracker. So the sticker books I'm using is going to be my tiny sticker book and my journaling sticker book. I'm using the journaling one because this is the one I get the months from to put on here. So we are now in June. So I'm gonna put, and I'm doing a movie theme since that's what was requested. I'm gonna put June right here, and just to go kind of with the movie theme, I'm going to color it in red from my Frixion. Just to give it some color. I typically do color the months in anyway. Oh, I could have used yellow too, but we're here, right? It's already in red. Alright. Now that I have that, I'm going to use my tiny sticker book. This is probably one of my favoriteest sticker books. I'm looking for the, hope I didn't use them all, but I might have. I'm looking for the popcorn. So I'm gonna use 2 of these. I'm gonna use a white one. I'll use a blue one. I'm gonna use blue. I'm gonna put one here and one there. So we have these. Alright, so I had to find the book. I'm just going to use my food book, and I'm going to use this bowl of popcorn. And I am going to use, they got the cups in here. And I'm going to use these cups right here because they remind me of the cups at the movie theater. They're actually the scale for what they give you. So I'm gonna put my bowl of popcorn and my drink right here. Alright, so now I'm going to just write out mood tracker, and I purposely don't make it look perfect because our moods are all over the place, especially right now with everything that's going on. So I purposely try not to make it look too put together. So now we have mood tracker. I'm going to make like popcorn. So that's that's what I'm attempting to draw right now. And I'm going to do some popcorn and going to draw a couple of the buckets the popcorn goes in. So I'm not going to put that many stripes. That one looks terrible. And gonna draw some of these. Not many, because I can't really draw, but I'm trying to get like the whole movie theater theme down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I didn't want to put like a number with too many ones on this one. 12. How many in June? It's 30 days in June. 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So happy, sad, okay, productive, angry. So those are my moods. And so happy, let's see, what's my red one? Productive, okay, sad, it's the red one, nope, this one. Angry. So here is my movie themed mood tracker for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another one. Peace.